chassis.
Yeah, major corrosion. We're looking at a full frame-off restoration here. We're looking at severe surface corrosion here on the chassis.
Yep.
It's barely holding together.
And the structural integrity of the bed is complete.
She's pretty rough, but I've seen worse. Look at all this rust and corrosion. It is gonna take a lot of work.
Holy C's solid. Let's see what the air intake looks like. Ooh.
Let's see what we're dealing with here. This is gonna be a huge project. This is gonna be a huge project.
Strap's secured underneath. Front toe strap is connected.
Yeah.
Confirmed. We are clear to transport. Wow, that is some serious patina.
Yes.
Yeah, look at the state of this rear quarter panel.
Yeah.
It's definitely going to be a challenge. Down easy, guide it onto the mounts. Look at the corrosion pitting here on cylinder 3. That explains the compression loss.
Yeah, rings are completely shot too. I'll add it to the report.
Send it down.
Feels good.
How's everything looking? Everything checks out. She's ready for the frame.
All right, let's lift her up.